The National Electrical Code, specifically Section 210.23(8)(1), addresses the proper ratio of ungrounded conductors, or hot wires, to grounded conductors, or neutral wires. The code generally requires that each ungrounded conductor has a corresponding grounded conductor. This means a 1-to-1 ratio of hot wires to neutral wires is typically required, with exceptions for specific circumstances. Having 3 hot wires for every 1 neutral wire violates this fundamental principle and is considered unsafe and non-compliant with the NEC. There are several reasons why this configuration is dangerous. Firstly, overloading can occur. The neutral wire is designed to carry the return current from all the hot wires it serves. When there are too many hot wires connected to a single neutral wire, the neutral wire can become overloaded. This overloading leads to overheating of the wire, potentially causing the insulation to melt or even ignite, creating a significant fire hazard. Secondly, voltage imbalance becomes a concern. When the current flow on the hot wires is unequal, it can lead to voltage imbalance. This imbalance can damage sensitive electrical equipment connected to the circuit, reducing its lifespan or causing it to malfunction. Thirdly, ground fault protection is compromised. In the event of a ground fault, which is an unintentional electrical path to ground, the excess current needs to quickly trip a circuit breaker or ground fault circuit interrupter, also known as a GFCI. However, with an overloaded neutral wire, the excess current from a ground fault may not be sufficient to promptly trip the breaker or GFCI, increasing the risk of electrical shock to individuals who come into contact with the faulty circuit or appliance. To ensure the safety of the home and its occupants, it is crucial to rectify this wiring issue promptly. A qualified electrician should be hired to inspect the wiring and correct the discrepancy. They will ensure that the correct number of neutral wires are installed to match the number of hot wires, adhering to the requirements of the National Electrical Code. It is important to understand the principles behind electrical wiring and code compliance to maintain a safe electrical system. Ignoring these issues can lead to serious consequences, including electrical fires, equipment damage, and personal injury. The NEC is a comprehensive set of standards designed to minimize these risks and ensure the safe installation and operation of electrical systems. It is therefore recommended to always consult with qualified professionals when dealing with electrical work. They possess the knowledge and expertise to identify potential hazards and implement the necessary corrective measures to maintain a safe and code-compliant electrical environment. In summary, a configuration of 3 hot wires for every neutral wire is a violation of the NEC and poses significant safety risks due to overloading, voltage imbalance, and compromised ground fault protection. Prompt corrective action by a qualified electrician is essential to ensure the safety and well-being of the occupants and the integrity of the electrical system.